ChatGPT not only can give you the words definition, even the very new words we call the internet buzzwords, they still can figure out the meaning. For example, what is the 剩女? 剩女 is a okay. These words 剩饭 the leftover. Okay, this is not buzzwords, but another buzzword is related to this 剩饭. Called 剩女. 女 means girl. Leftover women who is over certain age, in her later 20s or older, should not late 20s, late 30s, and married. This is buzzwords. Another one is 躺平. For example, I just ask for 躺平. 躺平. Just question mark. So I think they will give me the definition in Chinese. Oh, still in English. Lying flight. Very good definition.